Hey guys, Aaron McKenzie here from Originofenergy. Just making a quick clip on my new ultimate selfie tool. So I got myself a Canon M50, which is a pretty cool tool, pretty amazing. Got it mounted on a Ronin SC gimbal and got a Rode wireless mic. Got myself an f2 lens as well. Great tool for producing content, especially if you're a solo content producer like myself. So I'm very excited to film more and share more of what it is that I do and how I work with clients, how I run my business, how I stay healthy and how I help other people obtain a higher level of health. And also I'm really keen to get out and film properties, film farms, people that are producing really amazing food as well as regenerating the environment and doing that. That's something that really excites me, and I think it's becoming more and more important as time goes on in terms of what humanity's needs are. So yeah, super excited and pumped for that. The AI though in the stuff that I'm using now, like, it's pretty amazing. Like, you can see here that the camera is following me around a room. So it's focusing on me as I move across the room, and the camera's turning and just doing all those cool things and capturing that. And that's amazing. It's also scary in the sense of how quickly AI is developing and that machine learning process is occurring. So this facial recognition stuff is scary in terms of losing privacy, but then also the rate in which information can be processed and accumulated and then turned into ways of making things happen for profit. And hopefully we can steer AI in a way that is better for humanity and better for the environment, and it balances things out for all of us and makes things more fair and just and more efficient at making everyone's lives better. So one side of me is optimistic and hopeful, and the other side is a bit pessimistic in the sense that, if we look at what's happening so far and where corporate agendas are manipulating things in their own favor, it's quite scary. And I don't think people really realize that the money they have in superannuation or the money they have in insurance or the bank is actually supporting all the things that they may not be for. I mean, they're happy to get the extra money, but they don't realize that they're actually supporting the very things that are going to harm humanity and are harming humanity right now, whether it's to do with our food supply, whether it's to do with where resources are being utilized and our environment. All of those things are on all of us, and it's our responsibility to get a lot more conscious about how it is that we spend our money and what we vote for with our money. So it's a passion of mine to educate and also to try my best to live by example, so that way I can show people, not just tell people. So if you would like to learn more from me, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, be great. And then also in the comments, any suggestions or things that you would like for me to share as it relates to my 20 years of experience of working with clients, training athletes, and helping people recover from different things. I'm very keen to share that, as well as how to run a better business as a health and fitness professional. So I've run this studio here for 10 years. I've been in the industry 20. So it's a decent amount of time. It's a long career. For most industries, most people are kind of coming and going pretty quick now. So to be able to do that, you've got to not only make money, but you've actually got to enjoy the work that you're doing. So that's something that I'm keen to share, as well as how I enjoy my life and make it all balance out, so that way I have a nice family life, have a good working life, and how that kind of integrates together. So keen to share, and if you're keen to learn, then let's make this happen. Keep moving, keep enjoying your life, and I'll see you soon.